Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So today, while you see my hair's braid up, you already know what time it is. I do tutorials on crochets and all that stuff. So I actually received crochet braids from a company I worked with before, Femafric. They are bomb, y'all. All of their stuff is from Sierra Leone, West Africa, and they hand make all of their hair, their crochet hair, and all of their stuff comes with a carved crochet needle from the motherland, y'all. So what I got in the bag was some cards talking about the company, and I'll put their website and all of the Instagram pages and stuff in the description below so you won't miss anything. And they also come with these cool bags again. So yeah, I mean, and this is from, of course, Africa. What hair I got this time? So I got, they're like a purple tint. They look burgundy a little bit, but hold on, I'm gonna turn, I think I should turn, I mean, it's pretty bright in this bathroom, but it's really purple. And what I'll do is I will turn on brighter light so you can actually see it once it's done. But I have these box braids. I think they're medium. I do have 25 per bundle. Again, these are all handmade. They come sealed, ready to go, and each bundle has 25 in them. So I should be able to do my whole head. Okay, so let's talk about this braid pattern. I did a new braid pattern this time, well, me and my mother. So I braided the front, so I put little blocks, you know, the little, you know, when they braid your hair and they part it and it look like little blocks, you know, that's what I did. I braided the front like this, and I'll insert pictures right here of the braid pattern. So it is, you know, it's pretty cool. Hopefully it looks right, it works right, and I like to go with this type of braid pattern because I don't want straight backs, you know, I don't want that look. So if this can make it look more individual braids, then I'm good with it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, get started crocheting these bad boys in. You know how I do it. I start and then I'll fast forward to make, you know, so you can see how I install it, and then I'll come back with close to almost done, and then I'll come back with the final look. So let's get to it. Halfway done. In total, these are going to be 125 braids. I think they're going to be enough. I believe they're going to be enough because, like, when you get individuals, you usually don't have 125 individuals in your head. Like, I mean, for my twists, you know, I had billions of twists, but I didn't go to like a hair shop to get my twists done. I go to girls that specifically just do twist, so they put a lot in your hair, and I mean, that's a look, you know. But when you get box braids, you don't have a billion in your head, you know. So I'm assuming it is enough. And again, guys, I have like a medium head. I have like a little peanut head. I feel like my head is about average or a tiny bit smaller. So, you know, I think it's gonna be enough for me regardless. But yeah, I'm almost like halfway done. I have the front, I have this part right here, and then I just got the front to do. So basically just this part back here, and then the front. I already started on the front, and you see how it looks like one singular braid. Like, no, I didn't put one right there yet. So I really like the way that singular braid looked. I just wanted to test it out and look, you know, see what it looked like. So I think this braid pattern is gonna work for me. The zigzag didn't really work. I don't think that we did it correctly, but I do think this box braid look is going to work for this particular hair. These are again individually braided, so they're not all the same size, but they are about the same size. They're pretty uniform, and you do have enough space using your tool to get this done. So one more sip of mommy juice, and then I'm gonna get back in it. There you go. Final look, because I do want to dip the ends because they are kind of crinkly. So I'm actually going to do that in the AM, but like, girl, who can't tell me these aren't individuals though? You know. Yes. So, alright, I will see you guys in the morning when I finally dip these beautiful beautimiss. Is that a word? But anyway, girl, I'm just trying to feel myself out, you know. This is, I've never had this color before. Did I think 5 packs wasn't gonna be enough, which was 125 braids? Girl, it was more than enough. Femafric was right, because I had asked them, hey, do you think 125 braids is gonna be enough? And she was like, yeah. Girl, she was not lying. Hi guys, so this is the final look. Again, I did not dip these. I didn't feel like they didn't really need them. I'm dressed up and all glammed out because I want you guys to see my part of the final Don't Rush Me challenge that I'm doing. And this is kind of like my reveal part. So the edge part has worked out for me. The individual blocks are really working, or the individual parts, not the zigzag so much, because in the zigzag I don't think we did it right, so it didn't look right. But this is the hair. This is the 5 bundle deal for this hair. This is exactly 125 braids. It is about, it's pretty long. It's to almost, you know, it's beyond my hip area. So they are pretty long braids. I really like the hair color. It is like an off purple color, and it is so nice and pretty. So yeah, I actually did a video the other night. You probably seen it already at the beginning of the video. I'll put it right here. But I love this hair. Or these braids. It is definitely cheaper than dropping $200 to $300 to get individual braids, and you can do them yourself. All you need is a good braided base, and these don't look like the bought from hair store hair, because these are individually braided. So each braid is unique, just like at a hair shop. So again, guys, I really appreciate all of the love and support, and I will be back for another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss one of my sporadic videos.